Good day. Now, I will introduce our proposal, the Smart Barangay Service Hub. The Smart Barangay Service Hub is a web and mobile-based application designed to improve the delivery of barangay services and communication with residents. The app provides a centralized digital platform where community members can access important services such as requesting documents, viewing announcements, reporting issues, and receiving emergency alerts. By integrating modern technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, the system helps automate response, organize data efficiently, and provide faster assistance to residents. Through this application, residents no longer need to rely on manual processes or frequent visit to the barangay office for basic services. Instead, they can conveniently access information and submit requests using their smartphones more efficient, transparent, and accessible while encouraging stronger community engagement. So the Barangay Service Hub choose the emerging technology, artificial intelligence, because one of the most significant emerging technologies today is artificial intelligence, which enables computer system to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence such as decision making, data analysis, pattern recognition, and automated responses. AI is widely used in many modern systems including chatbots, recommendation system, smart assistants, and automated service platform. AI is commonly implemented using techniques from machine learning, where computer systems learn from data and improve their performance without being explicit programmed for every task. Through the use of cloud-based AI, services, and APIs, developers can integrate intelligent features such as automated responses, predictive analysis, and smart data management into application. In the context of local governance, AI can help improve communication between residents and government offices by automating routine processes and providing instant access to information. For example, AI-powered chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, guide residents through service requests, and provide updates about barangay programs and announcements. The proposed Smart Barangay Service Hub utilized AI to enhance community services through intelligence, automation, and digital interaction. By integrating AI with a web and mobile-based platform, residents can access barangay services more efficiently, receive timely information, and communicate with officials without needing to visit the barangay office physically. Overall, the use of artificial intelligence in the system demonstrates how emerging technologies can modernize public service delivery, improve efficiency, and create more responsive and accessible community service platform.
So, good day, everyone. I will be discussing to you the core concept of our emerging technology. Our project is focuses on developing a digital platform for barangay services that residents can easily access using their mobile phones or computers or laptop. The main idea of our system is to transform traditional barangay processes into a digital system. Normally, residents or people need to go to the barangay hall to verify their identity and request documents or report a concern. This process can be time consuming, inconvenient, and sometimes inefficient. With our proposed system, these services can now be done through online, anytime and anywhere, making it more convenient for both resident and barangay official. So our system has several key technology to make this possible. First, We use QR code technology to provide each resident with unique digital ID. This allows fast and secure verification in just a few seconds. Second, we use web or mobile application where resident can log in and access different barangay service such as requesting documents or viewing announcement. Third, all resident data is stored in a online database, which help organize and manage information more efficiently and reduce the risk of lose their records. Lastly, the system use internet connectivity to send and request or receive requests in real time, allowing faster communication between resident and barangay official. So the goal of this technology is to make the barangay service faster or more organized, transparent, and accessible. So how our technology works? Our system works by connecting resident, barangay official, and a central base through an online platform. And it has several key features that makes the barangay service more efficient and accessible. The first one is the digital barangay ID with QR code. First, each registered resident will receive a digital barangay ID with a QR code. So how it works? First, a resident will register in the system, and their personal information will securely stored in the database, and a unique QR code is generated for that resident. So when the barangay officials scan their QR code, the system initially verifies the resident identity, and this will make their verification faster and more secure and prevent fake ID. Second, online document request system. So the resident can also request important documents online, such as barangay clearance, certificate, and other official documents. So explain ko naman sa inyo yung kanilang process. First, the resident logs in the system and they will fill out a digital request form, and their request will send to the barangay office for review and approval. The resident will receive a notification when the document is ready. Ayan. This will make the resident avoid long lines and manual paperwork and waiting time. Third, digital announcement board. This system includes a digital bulletin where barangay official can post announcement such as community events, public notice, disaster warning, or emergency alert. So official can post announcement through the system dashboard, and the resident will receive the update instantly via app or website. This will ensure the resident get important information quickly and stay informed. So the fourth one is emergency SOS feature. Our system has an SOS emergency feature. So when the resident faces an emergency situation, they can press the SOS button. The system will send an alert to barangay officials, including resident detail, location, and type of emergency. An official will respond immediately. This will help the barangay to act faster during emergency, potential saving lives. The fifth one or the last one is the digital feedback and complaint system. So resident can submit feedback, concern, and complaint online. The residents will fill out a feedback or complaint form. Then the report is stored in the system database. Barangay official will review and respond, and the resident can track the status of their concern. And this will improve the communication, accountability, and the transparency between the barangay and the community.
So for the current and potential application for our Smart Barangay Hub, for the current application, it has instant access to digital barangay ID, document requests, and emergency alerts and announcements. And it disseminates time-sensitive info, typhoon warnings, clinic closures, and waste collection schedules. And it manages lost and found reports, plus navigation to community locations. To summarize, it provides instant access to digital barangay ID, services, and alerts. And it disseminates time-sensitive information like weather warnings and waste schedules, and it manages lost and found reports and community navigation. And for the potential application, it integrates payment system for services fee, and community forums and group coordinates features and expand health updates to include vaccination and teleconsultations. To summarize it could integrate payment system and community forums, expand health services to include vaccination and teleconsultations, incorporate disaster preparedness tools, and it enable online registration for events and volunteering.
Here is the impacted industries on our project proposal. First is the government and public administration industry. Our system helps barangay offices improve the way they provide services to residents. Instead of relying only on manual processes, the platform allows residents to request documents, receive announcements, and submit concerns online. This can make barangay services faster, more organized, and more transparent. Second is the information technology industry. The project uses modern technology such as web and mobile development, cloud databases, and an AI chatbot. These technologies help create digital platforms that connect residents and barangay officials efficiently. Third is the communication industry. Through the digital announcement board and notification system, important information such as events, updates, and emergency alerts can be shared quickly with the community. Fourth is the public safety emergency services sector. The system includes an emergency SOS feature that allows residents to report urgent situations immediately, helping barangay officials respond faster to emergency. Lastly, the project impacts community services and civic engagement. By providing a digital feedback and complaint system, residents are encouraged to participate more actively in community concerns and decision making.
And for the ethical, social, and environmental applications, for the ethical, it explains it requires strict data privacy. You can comply with the Philippine Data Privacy Act to protect personal details. And it must ensure accessibility for those with limited digital literacy or no smartphones. And it needs clear transparency or data to use to maintain trust. It explains you need to comply with the Philippine Data Privacy Act to ensure accessibility and transparency. And for the social, it can strengthen community cohesion and improve emergency response efficiency. And it may enhance service quality but risk of widening digital divide without proper support. It strengthens community and emergency response. It may reduce inequity but risk digital divide. And for the environmental, it improves waste management and recycling via clear guidelines, and it reduces paper use through digital processes, and it can promote eco-friendly initiatives and environmental awareness. It explained that for the environmental, it enhances waste management, use of paper, and promotes eco-awareness.
I will discuss challenges and limitation of Barangay Hub. First is the lack of technology. Some barangays do not have enough computers and other equipment needed to run the system. In some areas, the internet connection is slow or unstable. Because of this, it becomes difficult for the staff to use the Barangay Hub system properly. And the second one is the lack of training. Some barangay staff are not familiar with the digital system. Because of this, they may find it hard to operate the platform. This is why proper training is important so that the staff can use the system effectively and provide better service to the residents. Third is the limited gadget. Some barangays do not have enough funds to support the system. Money is needed to buy computers, maintain internet connection, and maintain the system. Without enough budget, it can be difficult to fully implement the Barangay Hub. Fourth is the privacy and security. The system stores personal information of residents. Because of this, it is very important to protect the data from unauthorized access. Strong security measures and needed to make sure that the information of residents remains safe and private. So, lastly, there is limited access for residents. Not all residents have smartphone, computers, or internet connection. Because of this, some people may not be able to fully use the Barangay Hub services.
In conclusion, the Smart Barangay Service Hub is designed to modernize barangay operation by providing a digital platform for faster services, better communication, and improved community engagement. By integrating technologies such as QR code identification and artificial intelligence, the system can simplify processes like document requests, announcements, and emergency reporting. This helps barangay officials manage services more efficiently while giving residents convenient access to important information and support.